Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaica Stock Exchange is reporting that it was successful in representing 16 publicly listed companies in the Supreme Court. The 16 companies are now allowed to call and hold their 2020 AGMs by live stream or broadcast using electronic means. This allows their shareholders to participate and vote electronically either before or at meetings. Companies who were not parties to the application will not be able to rely on the court order. The JSE made the application on the ground that Jamaican law requires meetings of shareholders to be held in person. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $139.88, the Canadian dollar $106.14. The pound is going for $177.57, while the euro closed at $161.24. The JSE index gained 199 points today, and the junior market index is up 12 points. Among the winners, JMMB Group 7.5%, Elite Diagnostic, Jetcon Corporation, Key Insurance, and Consolidated Bakeries. On the losing side were Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Berger Paints, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, as well as Mayberry Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.